Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Southern collard greens. For our ingredients, we have a smoked turkey leg, red pepper flakes, garlic, and diced onions, and we have bouillon. And of course, the star of the meal are our collard greens. I'm showing you how I cut up my collard greens. I like my collard greens kind of small. This is just a simple recipe. Nothing too much, because I love the taste of just my collard greens. And yeah, not too much salt or anything. So let's get to it. Let me show you how I make my collards. So of course, I'm going to wash my collard greens. Maybe in my next video, I'll show you how to cut them up and devein them. But I'm just showing you how I cut them up. I'm going to add some oil to my pan. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of butter. Here I'm going to add my onions. I'm not going to sear them too long. I just want them fragrant. Here I'm adding in my garlic and my chicken bouillon. Sometimes I use a vegetable bouillon, but today I'm using chicken bouillon. Now I added 4 cups of water. I'm adding in my smoked turkey leg. I'm gonna let my turkey leg cook for about 45 minutes. I want my turkey to be falling apart. I added some smoked neck bones also. Now here I'm showing you that the turkey is falling off the bone. I like to take some of the bones out before I put my collard greens in, because you don't want to be biting on a bone while you're eating your collard greens. Here I'm adding my collard greens. They're all washed up and clean. Now these have rendered down some, and I'm going to add some more collard greens to put on top. So I think I added enough. I'm going to save the rest of them for later. Here I'm mixing it up. I'm getting the turkey from the bottom of the pot. Make sure I get that turkey mixed all into those greens so you get that smoked taste. Now I'm adding in my red pepper flakes. I always add my red pepper flakes in after I add all my collard greens and my greens have rendered down some. Now I'm mixing those in. I love to add more onions to my collard greens. And I do add some more garlic, but I didn't show that on camera. And here, they've been cooking for a little while. I want to say about 30 minutes. I don't like my greens too soft or too hard. Just right in the middle. I believe my collard greens cook for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Maybe a little bit more, but no longer than 1 hour and 45 minutes. And I'm just giving you that money shot. Them greens look good. They were yummy. They wasn't over salted. You could taste the turkey and the collards. Just a simple recipe. We have made Southern style collard greens. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.